Welcome to Hindu Mythology World YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Shraddha and welcome to Hindu Mythology World. In Mahabharata, Shakuni played role of a villain. But every villain has a story in the past, which leads to the cruel actions in the future. But what happened in Shakuni's past that made him to destroy entire Kuru clan and Hastinapur? Let's find out. The story begins when both Pandavas and Kauravas were children. They were playing and game ended as usual in a fight. In anger, Pandavas said to Kauravas, "You are the children of a widow." Kauravas were shocked to hear this. They were confident that their mother is not a widow. But then they all went crying to Bhishma and told him all story. Bhishma decided to investigate, and so he sent some spies to the Gandhar to find out the truth. Then spies find out that when Gandhari was born, that time astrologers told the king Suvala, father of Gandhari, that her first husband would have short life, but her second husband would have long life. When Gandhari was young, she was married to a goat, which was sacrificed to the goddess on the second day of the marriage. After sacrificing the goat, technically Gandhari was a widow, but this story was kept as a secret. Bhishma was very angry and frightened because if the city will knew this terrible secret, it will be an insult of Kuruvansh and the kingdom. Then Bhishma planned to kill Suvala and his sons so that the secret will be remain in themselves. But killing a family was adharma. So Bhishma locked Suvala and his sons in a jail and served them food but in very low quantity. Suvala gets the plan of Bhishma, but what he can do? Asking more food for a king is adharma, and run away from daughter's house while food is served is also adharma. After few days, the situation was the worst. Suvala's sons were fighting for food. Then he came up with an idea. He told his sons that only one should eat all the food, who is most intelligent among us, and when we will die, he should take revenge. Shakuni, the youngest, was chosen. All the food was given to the Shakuni. When his brothers were started dying, his father Suvala beat terribly with a stick on Shakuni's foot. Shakuni asked Suvala. He replied, "Now onwards, you will start to limp. But every time you limp, you will understand why your brothers and father give their life, because to take revenge and to destroy Kuruvansh and never forgive Bhishma and Kauravas." When Suvala was taking his last breath, he told Shakuni that after he died, cut his finger bones and make them into a dice. When Shakuni want to beat the dice in his way, Suvala's rage will be active in the dices, so that every dice game Shakuni will win. After death of Suvala and his sons, Shakuni was raised up by Bhishma. He was friend and uncle of Kauravas. But at the end, Shakuni take his revenge. To never miss any updates from Hindu Mythology World, subscribe to the channel